Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Silent Hill F game not launching, crashing, not loading, stuck on black screen, lagging, low FPS or other issues on PC. So let's go through it. So the first method is to check system requirements. For that you need to go to Steam. Go to Steam, under store here you have to search for the game, and then after that go below, and here you will find the system requirements to play the game. Make sure your system has all these requirements, and then try to play the game and see if it helps to fix the problem. If not, next solution is to modify launch options. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Here I am showing you an example. Select your game. After selecting it, right click on it, select properties. Now under general, here you need to type -dx11 and then try to play the game and see if it helps. If not, again come back and type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and see if it is working. If still you face problem, then come back and type -d3 d11 and then try to check if you can play the game or not. If not, next is to update graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search for device manager. After that, go below, select display adapters, right click on your graphics card and click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check if there is any update available for your graphics driver, and after updating, check if the problem is fixed. NVIDIA and AMD users, just go through the link that I have already given in the description, and from there you can easily update your graphics card and then check if the problem is fixed. Next solution is to allow the game through Firewall. So for that, go to the Windows search for Windows Defender Firewall. Now click on allow an app or feature. After that, click on change settings, and now here you need to check if the game is listed. If not, click on allow another app, then click on browse, then go to the game folder where it has been installed. Select the game, add it to the list. After adding it, now make sure to check the game or click on the game, and make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and then click on OK. After this, launch the game and see if it resolves. Next is to rename or delete config folder. So you need to go to the path, go to the file explorer, then go to the users, then your name folder. After that, click on app data, then click on local, then open the game folder, and then open saved folder, then create a backup of it, and after that delete the config folder, or you can also rename the folder, and after that try to launch the game and see if it helps to resolve the problem. Next solution is to delete temp files. So for that, you need to press Windows plus R, and here you need to type temp, and here you need to press Ctrl plus A and simply click on delete option. So this will delete all the temp files. After deleting it, now try to launch the game and see if it fixes the problem. If not, next is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, now click on install files, and here you need to click on verify integrity of game files. So after verifying the game files, now check if you can play the game. If not, next solution is to run game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, then click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where it has been installed. Select your game application, right click on it, click on properties, and now click on compatibility, and here select run this program as an administrator, then hit on apply and OK. Now check if you can play the game. If not, click on run this program in compatibility mode 4. Select Windows 8 or Windows 7 and then click on apply and OK, or else click on disable full screen optimizations and then click on apply and OK, and after that check if you can play the game without any further problem. If not, next solution is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search for check for updates, and it will take you to the Windows update page. Here you need to click on check for updates option, and it will check if there is any update available. After updating your Windows, now try to launch the game and see if it helps to resolve the problem. Next is to clear download cache. So for that, go to Steam, now click on Steam option over here, then go to settings and click on downloads, and here you need to click on clear cache beside clear download cache. So after clearing the cache, now check if the problem is resolved. Next solution is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, go through the link I have already given in the description, copy it, and paste it in your browser. So after opening the link, go below. From here you need to download Visual C++ files. After downloading it, install the Visual C++ files, and after installing it, restart your PC and then log into the game and check if you can play it without any problem. Next solution is to disable antivirus software. So if you are having any antivirus software installed on your system, you are suggested to disable it, because this can interrupt in your gameplay and you cannot play smoothly. So you are suggested to disable your antivirus program before you launch the game, and after that check if you can play the game without any further problem. Next solution is to install DirectX. So for that, copy this link and go to your web browser and paste it. After opening it, opens, here you need to click on download option, and once it's downloaded, install this setup. After installing it, now restart your system. Once after restarting, check if you can play the game without any further problem. If not, next is to disable Steam in-game overlay. So for Steam users, you need to go to Steam. Now click on Steam option, then click on settings, and then click on in-game, and here you can see the enable the Steam overlay while in-game option is enabled. You simply need to click on it to disable it, and once done, now check if you can launch the game. If not, for GeForce Experience, go to the GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general, then switch off in-game overlay option. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, switch off enable in-game overlay option. So after this, check if you can play the game. If not, next is to run game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search for graphics settings. After that, here you have to add your game. For that, click on add desktop app, go to the app game folder where it has been installed, select it and add it to the list. After adding it, click on the arrow icon over here. Under GPU preference, you need to select high performance. After this, launch the game and see if it helps to resolve the problem. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall the game. So for that, you can either uninstall the game from Steam or simply go to the control panel and uninstall a program from here. So for Steam, go to the library section, select your game. Now right click on it, click on manage, then click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option from here. So this will remove the game completely from your PC. So after that, restart your system. Once after restarting, launch Steam and again reinstall Silent Hill F game on your PC and then try to play it and check if it resolves the problem. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.